What's going on, guys? My name is Austin, and welcome to the first of many episodes down here in the Vault. Now, to jump right in, today we've got a mounting solution from Tackform for the Ranger Raptor. Now, you guys have probably already seen Tackform because they are pretty much dominating this space when it comes to mounting solutions for your camping, overlanding rig. However, they do make solutions for pretty much everything, all the way from motorcycles to fleet vehicles, pickups. So if you have really any sort of vehicle, they're going to have a mounting solution for you. Before we jump right into the unboxing, there's a couple things that I do want to note. First being, I am not sponsored by Tackform in any way as of this time. My wife did purchase this mount for me for Father's Day, so anything that I say in this video is my own opinion and my experience. And the second thing being, if you go on their website and you look at all of their products, you would imagine that this company is huge, just based on the scale of everything. Now, that being said, when I did reach out to them via email, I actually got the owner's wife. She explained that they are a small company. They all wear a bunch of different hats, and it seemed like she was handling all of the customer support, and the owner was actually in the production, design, and everything himself as well. So it's really nice to know that when you order a product like this, you're supporting a family, you're supporting an actual person rather than just some large industry. So jumping right into it, first thing I want to note is packaging is really awesome for what you'd expect. Now, this entire part, as of June of 2026, is $50. So keep that in mind. I don't know why, but when I was ordering this, I kind of expected it just to mind my life. We're just gonna go without it. Anyway, I kind of expected this just to show up in like one of those generic envelope sort of things. That is not at all what this is. These are actually custom printed boxes with the actual part, the actual rail, built to outlast you. It's kind of a neat touch with a very typical topographical map that you see on all the overlanding products. But a couple things here. They do include a set of instructions here as well as parts. Now, these are all 6061 CNC aluminum and anodized. So these things are literally built to outlast you. You're not gonna have to worry about them rusting, anything like that. The other thing is all of their products are laser measured and designed to fit and look like OEM in your vehicle. There are a lot of other aftermarket solutions that are just gonna clip onto your truck or use sticky tape or that kind of thing, and it's just gonna look like trash, where these ones are actually thoughtfully designed and made to look like they fit in your vehicle. So jumping right into the big part, this is specifically for the Ranger Raptor. Damn, okay. So they've got all of the hardware black to match. They're actually included, kind of surprised by that, but it's a hex driver, and not like one of the chintzy cheap ones either. This is pretty nice, 7mm. They've got a drill bit. They've got an Allen, or actually that's a star wrench there, and a plastic interior removal tool so you can pry up and release that. And then, of course, we've got the mount itself. Now, this goes directly above the Ranger's dash screen, and then it mounts this track on top of it. Now, there are two different versions of this product. This one is what they call the Assault version. There is a slim track version of this as well. And the main difference is this piece here. So when you get the Assault one, you're actually getting a Picatinny rail. So having that alone just allows you to mount really anything that you want. There is a literal shit ton of products that you can mount onto a Picatinny rail, including the ones that they make themselves. All right, guys, this is what you're going to get when you order one of these kits. Everything is incredibly packaged. Each thing is individually wrapped, clearly labeled instructions, and they do provide some really nice tools. In this case, the only thing that you're going to need for this installation is a drill. But again, these are all vehicle specifics. Some of them are 100% plug and play. You don't need to drill anything out, and some of them may require you to do so. Now, I don't have any of the mounting arms yet. That is something that I am working on. My wife just got me this piece for Father's Day, like I said. So stay tuned. We are going to be going over a couple of those as well. Initial review is this thing is incredible for the $50 that you're paying. When you think about the packaging cost, the cost of the tools, the hardware, finishing, the CNC machining, and all of the labor to do that, I just genuinely don't understand how they're selling this thing for so cheap. If you guys are looking for one of, if not the best mounting solutions for a great price for your vehicle, no matter what you ride or drive, go ahead online and check out Tackform. Again, I'm not sponsored. This is just a genuinely impressive product for what you're paying. If you guys want to see me install this, or you need a step-by-step guide on how to do this, even though they do provide instructions, make sure to stay tuned. I will have that video posted up very soon. So thank you guys for watching. Again, this is the Assault Track mounting solution for the Ranger Raptor. See you guys in the next one.